guys, this is Jack Dog 2009 and I'm with my friend Jake.
Hi, I have a channel, you can go and check that out. It's called Jake Thompson.
Yes.
So yeah, this is the first video we've done. So please subscribe, share and like. And comment if you want some more videos, like gaming videos, challenges and all that good stuff. So
We're
yeah.
only doing challenges if we have enough money.
Yeah. So we've just had a bonfire. Happy bonfire, by the way.
Happy bonfire party.
Yeah. Hope you have a good one.
No.
Right. So yeah. Hopefully you have enjoyed. If you have, give a big fat thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah.